What's up guys, welcome back to another FX tutorial. This one is going to be quick and easy, so let's get right to it. I'm going to use a blank canvas here and type up FXVISUALMEDIA. Next, I'm going to use one of my images and drag it onto the blank canvas. The last step you will need to do is right click the image layer and select Create Clipping Mask. At this point you're pretty much all done. You can move around and resize the image and text to your liking, and still be able to edit the text as well. If you're planning to use the image text only, simply deselect the background layer and save the image as a PNG. This is what it looks like in the end. Alright guys, that's it for this tutorial. If you're interested in seeing how I created the picture I used for this lesson, it'll be down in the description below. Support the channel by liking the video and subscribing. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below. But now enjoy the speed run on how I created the final image you guys seen in the beginning. And as always, happy editing.